it's not about boys and toys. I love my toys, but it's not just about having machines. It's having a comprehensive plan, an idea, a concept to get the best quality skin. So we start with just simple microneedling and skincare regimes, which have skin med and retinols that are really good for your skin. We then go to the next level of microneedling, doing it with platelet-rich plasma, the Selenus system for the PRP, fantastic. We got polynucleotides, DNA particles taken from fish, sperm, salmon and trout, and then they are injected to the skin. They can talk to your cellular DNA and then make collagen elastin. We have got Profilo if hydration of the facial skin is a concern. If your neck is going crepey and losing the sugars that naturally hold the water, we've got Profilo injections. We got Sculptra, the ultimate collagen stimulating injection, which will help you lift the envelope up, plump it up, reduce the crepiness of the skin. Of course, we've got fillers to volumize areas which go with time. You might notice on your own face that your chin is riding up, your cheekbones are going down, and these can be replenished by volumizing injections using hyaluronic acid fillers. We've got the Morphosate to tighten the collagen networks and in places like the jowls, take down the jowls. We've got the Neogen Plasma, the skin resurfacing system, which is better than carbon dioxide according to me. So we got all of that, and now we have the LipoCube Nano. So I have been doing fat transfers for breasts, for buttocks, to volumize the body naturally, and now we are going to do microfat and nanofat for the face, especially for the people who have been using injectables to lose weight, the GLP blockers, the Wegovy and the Mounjaro, and they've lost a lot of facial volume all over the face. Fat transfers are amazing. So we are going to use the nanofat. We'll take some fat from your tummy or some other area. We'll process the fat using the LipoCube, and we'll be using both the microfat to volumize and the nanofat, which has got stem cells that will stimulate your skin and improve the quality of the pigmentation, of the crepiness of the skin. So the nanofat has got stem cells which completely are a game changer. If you're interested in any of this, if you say, I don't want fillers, I want something natural, then you got the PRP and you've got the nanofat. We've got all of it now. Do get in touch if you need more information.